Welcome to ASK Tutorials. This is our C programming series and we are learning C loops. In this video we are going to learn about the loop control statement, goto statement. If you have not seen our previous videos, then watch it. Link is given into the description box. Now let's get started with the video. Goto statement. A goto statement in a C programming provides an unconditional jump from the goto to a labeled statement in the same function. Syntax for this is goto labels, then statements will come and label statement will come. Here label can be any plain text except C keyword and it can be set anywhere in the C program above or below to the goto statement. Now we will see a program. We declared a preprocessor command, then we declared a main function. Inside a main function we declared a integer variable a is equal to 10. Then our loop is starting here, do loop, then we open a bracket. Inside that we given a condition, if condition, if statement block is came there, we closed a if statement block, then our do loop statement block is came, our while condition is given here, then return 0 and we close the main function there. Here how the program executes: first it will go to the do block, then it will come to the do block and it will check a if condition. If condition will be true, then it will come inside the if statement block and it will execute if statement blocks. Then it will come outside the if statement block and it will execute a do loop here. Do loop it will execute, then value of a will be incrementing and while condition will be checked here. Suppose if while condition will be true, then again it will go to the do loop, then it will come to the if condition, then it will execute a if statement block, then it will print the do loop statements, then it will come to the condition, while condition here. This process will be continue until the while condition get false. If while condition will get false, it will stop the execution. And here if condition is there, if condition it will execute the if condition when it will come true. When the if condition will be true, that time only it will go inside a if statement block. Otherwise from direct it will go to the executor do loop statement block. And output we will get for this as a value of a is a 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, value we will get 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19. 15 we will not get here because 15 will be skipped there, and from after skipping a 15 number it will go to the loop and execute the statements. This is how the goto statement work. Now we will see how we got an output. First we declared a as a 10 there, then condition will be checked if a is equal to 15, condition is a false here, so it will go to the do loop statement block. There it will print a value of a is a 10, then a will be increment, so now a is equal to 11. Then it will check the while condition, condition is a true, so again it will go to the do loop. Now we got a is equal to 11 and it will check the if condition. If condition is a false here, so again it will go to the executor do loop statement and there it will print value of a is a 11. Then a will be increment, so now a is equal to 12 and it will check the while condition. While condition is a true here, so it will go to the do loop again. And now we got a as a 12 and it will check the if condition. If condition is a false here, so it will go to the do loop statement block and it will print a value of a is a 12 and it will increment a value is a 13 now and it will check the value while condition here and it it's true, so it will go to the do loop statement again. This process will continue up to we get a number as a 15. When we get a value as a 15 there, that time it will, when we get a value as a 15, it condition will be true there. When a is equal to 15, condition is true, so it will go to execute a if statement block. There we gave a is equal to a plus 1, so we got value of a is a 16. After that we gave a go to statement there, so the process will be continue and it will go to the do loop and print a value of a is a 16 and a will be increment, so now a is a 17. Then again it will go to the do loop and value if condition will be checked here. If condition is a false here, so it will go to the do loop statement and print a value of a is a 17 and a will be increment and while condition will be checked there, condition is true, so again it will go to the do loop statement. Now a is a 18 and it will check the if condition, condition is a false here, so again it will go to the do loop statement block and print value of a is a 18. Then a will be increment, now a is a 19 while condition is a checked here, condition is a true, so again it will go to the do loop. Now a is a 19, if condition is a false here, so it will go to the do loop statement block and it will print value of a is a 19. Then a will be increment, a is a 20 now and it will check the while condition. While a is a less than 20 is a false here, so it will come out of a loop and it will stop the execution. This is how the go to statement works here. When we gave go to statement there, from there also it will start the execution after skipping number 15. So we got output for this program is a number, value of a is a 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, then 16, 17, 18 and 19. Because we gave condition there, if a is equal to 15, so it skipped the number 15. Thank you for watching the video.